Morning guys, time check, it's around 7 in the morning, Bangkok time. And we are going to Aquaverse, Pattaya.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
It's Ghostbusters. Oh, look at that. So excited! Grabe guys, Columbia Pictures, sobrang ganda dito. Look at that, there oh, look at the slides oh.
Hey guys, so I am about to ride the slide outside and I'm that brave so I can do the ultimate because yeah, I'm going to have a heart attack at that time. So let's just try this one now, okay guys? There's a lot of kids here at Aquaverse. Too much kids. Hey guys, we're gonna try it out. Okay guys. Hey guys. Okay, bye. See you later. Again.
Yeah, this man in back. So, astig dito guys, oh, habang nag-swim ka, pwede ka manood ng movies from Columbia Pictures. I'm gonna save you! No? Look for the food though. You wanna try that? Shower, come on. Here, dali. I'll take a video. Yeah. Which one? Coke Zero or Sprite? Huh? Sprite?
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Then I will rate the aquaverse. So how would you rate the aquaverse? 1 to 5, 5 is the highest. What's the score?
1 to 5?
Yeah, 5 is the highest. How many stars?
5.
5 stars. Wow. What's your favorite attraction?
Huh?
What's your favorite attraction? What's your most favorite part here?
The wave.
The waves. Okay. And then what about the shows?
I like the show.
Which one? Which show?
I love. My favorite is the emoji.
The emoji. Yeah, me too. Which one will get the lowest star rating? Which one? Me? I think the lowest star rating is the Ghostbusters.
No.
No?
That one.
Which one?
They are the. Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Oh yeah? Alright guys, I think that completes our vlog here in Aquaverse. And sobrang panalo, sobrang sulit. Uulitin pa natin, yes, if we have a chance to do it again. No? Thank you guys, have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Right tayo dito sa Pattaya. Angkas lang tayo dito, siyempre. Yan o. So, pupunta kami ng Jomtien Beach. Hanap tayo ng magagawa or makakain doon. So, dito na tayo sa Jomtien Beach. Seaside yan guys eh, yung Jomtien. Pero, dilim kasi. So, hindi natin makita. Tayo, mga food dito. Medyo mura yung food nila dito, no? Ayan, no? Yeah, diba? No? So, hanap kami guys na ano, makakainan dito. Mahirap lang yung transport talaga. So, doon kami sumakay sa ano, motorcycle taxi nila. So, hanap tayo dito guys na pwede natin makakainan. Pagka ganito kang, nasa ganito kang places, it's best na makakapag-rent ka ng sarili mong motorcycle, no? Makakatipid ka pa. Should have done that. The problem is kailan hindi siya pwede. Okay guys, so ito yung napili natin kainan, Surf Kitchen. So maliwalas kasi guys, liwanag, tsaka hindi siya more on parang inuman talaga. So dito kami. Parang crab meat. So guys, yung food namin. Hi! So, alright, kakain muna kami guys. We are so tired.